ladies, hello gentlemen. Welcome to a vlog of all vlogs, the Vloggy vlog. I am now in Dumbo and riding to Red Hook in the slight drizzle. Check out this little situation up here, Manhattan Bridge and whatnot. It's cute. It's cute as fuck. Look at these cobblestones. Cobblestones. Oh brother, that's a one-way street now? I don't give a fuck. Look at this shit. As long as there's no cops, you know, because cops would put a damper on this whole enchilada. Right, strong tourism, left, right, and center. Yeah, so right now I'm riding to Union Garage. No, actually, no. I'm riding to Moto Velocita to get some service done to my bike. Tyler from, what was the name of his shop? Moto Pistole. I don't know if you guys remember Moto Pistole. It was in Brooklyn. Fuck, I'm coughing like a son of a bitch. I got a cold. But yeah, so my bike has been backfiring crazy shit. Like everything's wrong with it. Also, I'm afraid there's a gasket issue. Oh, look at this little Porsche. It's cute. I'm worried that there's like a gasket issue. The vertical cylinder gasket might be leaking oil and such. So before I get around and start doing like major servicing and valve jobs and all the other stuff, I want to find out if the engine is even worth like saving, you know, because maybe instead of rebuilding the engine, because that's going to cost hundreds of dollars and thousands, whatever, maybe instead I could just pop in a new engine and I could do it myself, you know, because this engine is nearing 50,000 miles anyway. So perhaps I should just pop in a new one. Hey, what you think? Maybe, huh? But anyway, yeah, it's fucking nasty. It's cold. It's like 38 degrees and rainy. This is definitely not the ideal riding situation. But it's okay. Over here, also, you don't want to go too fast because A, I think there's speed cameras, and B, I think there's like pigs here. Look at this fucking dick. What are you doing? Just fucking pulling out. Yeah, it's all good. No surprises there, bruh. So, quick little vlog. Just thinking right now. And right now, Tyler, I'm not even sure if he's gonna charge me or not. But basically, I'm gonna go there and he's gonna test the engine. I guess he's gonna test the compression and some other things to see if what the dealio is. You know, just like as much as I want to spend $1,000 on a major service, might as well spend $1,000 on a new engine and just pop it in myself, like YOLO. Not a hard task, to be honest. I've never done it, but I could see how I could figure it out. You know, I could figure it out. What are you doing, bro? No headlights, no nothing, just chilling, just cruising. I'm talking about the truck behind me. So, what would you guys do? I don't know. Like this, like I want to bring this bike to 50,000 miles, you know, because I got it with 1,400, now it has 48,000. I can bring it to 50,000. But I'm not trying to polish a turd either, you know. I'm definitely not gonna like retire this bike with a busted engine. So yeah, this bike needs to be fixed for sure. And it's funny, I haven't been to Moto Velocita and seen Carrie in a long time. No beef. This last time the service took a lot longer than I'm used to. and much longer than I was quoted. So that's why there was a little bit of a tiffy on my part, because this is my daily, you know what I mean? I ride this fucking bike every day. I can't not have the bike for a few days. That's not how it works. Anyway, here we are. Here we are. We'll see what happens. We are at Moto Velocita. Alright, I shall talk to you guys later.